Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for credit with the Experience Credit Match. So if you've been wondering how to do that, yeah, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick video, just going to give you a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get that done. So let's not waste any time, let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Experian account. And you can log into your Experian account online on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app if you have the mobile app. And if you don't have it, you can just get it from Google Play Store, or you can get it from the App Store. So once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on Credit Match, and that's going to help you to access the Credit Match tool. Now there you can apply for credit using Experience Credit Match tool. Just follow the steps and you're gonna be able to get that done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for credits with Experience Credit Match. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.